Welcome to Prosser's Criminal Justice Program. I'm retired Conservation Officer Max Spainhour.
Hello there. I'm retired ATF Special Agent Don York, and I've been with the Prosser program for the last 9 years. Approximately 10 years ago, retired Conservation Officer Max Spainhour implemented the program here at Prosser, and from that point forward, it's been growing every year. This program is a dual credit program, which means that once you've completed your 2 years with us through Vincennes University, you get 15 college credits. The first year is set up for basic police operations. As you'll see on the wall here, we have lots of gear that we utilize. We also learn about criminology and the introduction to criminal justice. Your second year here focuses more on advanced police operations, ethics, criminal investigation, and traffic. The entire program is a start to finish basic principles of criminal justice. We talk also about corrections and courts and other jobs related to the criminal justice field, such as paralegals, attorneys, court security officers, judges, lawyers, whatever. But we try to touch on each and every one.